How to download Geometry Dash 2.2 on PC. So if you want to download Geometry Dash 2.2 on your PC, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. After opening your browser, you need to search for BlueStacks. After searching for BlueStacks, here you will have www.bluestacks.com. Just click on it and here you will have the download option. You can just simply go with download and download BlueStacks. Once you've downloaded, you can search for BlueStacks and you can open up the application. After opening your BlueStacks store application, now here you need to search for Geometry Dash. Once you've searched, you can just simply go with the application. You will have a lot of searches. So you can just simply go with install from Google Play. And after that, you can, once you click on it, then it will take you to the Google Play. You can have an install option. You'll be able to install the Geometry Dash. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.